Hey guys, this is just a really quick video to show you a little bit of layering with one of our new fairy shards. So basically this is a brand new set. So you can see here I have applied my tips and I've also used Peacherbel's Dehydrate and Acid Free Primer, which are available from my website. I will leave links down below. And now I'm applying one of our best-selling glitters. This is literally probably our second best-selling glitter after Rose Gold Multi. This is Plum Fizz. You can see it's an absolutely beautiful sort of plum, deep red kind of colour. Like, it literally is stunning. And the reflex in it are just so different. So obviously I brought this out along with the autumn range. So it's been out for a couple of months now, and honestly, like I said earlier, it's literally flying off the shelf. So get this one while you can, and especially with the run up to Christmas now, this one's been super popular. Because you can see it's got those like plums in it, and those rich reds and like magentas and things like that. So it's perfect transitional colour, I think. So you can see I'm just applying a nice thin layer of this glitter over the full nail. So I'm going into my glass slippers, getting a really small wet bead and then straight into my raw loose glitter. So I'm going to place another bead on at cuticle area, nice small patting and tapping motions, just teasing it exactly where I want it and then just brushing it down. So you can see, because it's a side angle, there's no height or anything with this glitter. I'm literally just using it for colour and not for strength. So now I am going in to our pink fairy shards and laying this over the glitter, and you can see it literally changes the colour in seconds. Like, so you can see the bottom of the nail there, it is a gorgeous sort of rich pink, like a plummy colour, and then the top, just popping them pink shards over, it just changes it altogether. And I think it looks absolutely stunning. So obviously if you have got Plum Fizz, and it has been really popular, I suggest getting these flakes, these shards, sorry, trying them on top and just seeing, because it's a little bit different for your clients. So those who love Plum Fizz and fancy something a little bit different or changing it up. And you can see again, there's no height on there whatsoever. I'm just keeping it nice and thin, ready to be capped. And just honestly, look at that. The colours in that is absolutely beautiful. Even my client was like, oh my god. So I'm going to do a sort of a fade with them on the ring finger now. So I'm going in with Peacherbel Soft. And I'm just putting that right into the cuticle area and then teasing that right down. Just tucking in and then pulling down. I'm not worrying about the little bits of glitter I've got down there, because obviously the glitter is going to be ombre into it anyway. So it'll be absolutely fine. So again, into Peacherbel Soft. Just again tucking it in, blending it into the previous bead, and then just pulling it down. It's a really nice, soft, natural colour Peacherbel Soft. Again, this is available on the website. Links will be down below. So I'm just checking that I'm happy with my coverage and everything. And now I'm going to go on and pick up some of the Plum Fizz glitter again. And then I'm just going to place this on the free edge area. And then again, with my patting and tapping motions, just nice small movements, nothing too big. You don't want to sort of do too big of movements, because then you'll start pulling the glitter off. So you just end up in a vicious circle where you're just adding and pulling it off and adding and pulling it off. But yeah, just nice super small motions, like I said. Get them all pieces exactly where you want them. Just making sure that it is blended enough into that nail bed area. And I will say it's not sped up, this is actually how fast my brush moves. Everyone's like, stop speeding up your videos, and I'm like, I'm not. That is literally how quick I move my brush around. So I'm just making sure that I've got all my side roll areas covered, and you can see off to the left of the screen the client is literally just wiggling her little finger, admiring it. Because she was a big fan of Plum Fizz and just had it so many times. But she was like, I need something different on it. So I was like, right, we're going to put these pink shards on. I'm just going to see what happens. And I was like, oh my god, I absolutely adore them. So then you are going to have something what looks like this. So this is the set completely uncapped, is the opposite hand, but it's on. So we're going to cap the whole thing in glass slippers now, file it all in, give these a quick buff and a wipe with acetone to get any residue off, and then I'm going in with the Gelica No Wipe Top Coat. I should say the famous Gelica No Wipe Top Coat. Giving it a really good layer, and just give us a minute just to admire that, to do the Sonia wiggle. Everyone started calling it the Sonia wiggle now. She's even wiggling it again, look. So yeah, this is the Gelica No Wipe Top Coat, super shiny, nice thick top coat, exactly what it says in the bottle, and it will stay shiny while your client comes back, obviously 3-4 weeks for maintenance. So I've just sped up this little bit now. Obviously you've seen me top coat a million times, but I just wanted to leave it in there because it is just the magic bit, isn't it? So like I said, absolutely great little combo, ready for obviously the transition into Christmas. So if your clients are fancying something a bit sparkly but not quite ready for the Christmas colours, this is your perfect transitional one, most definitely. So we're going to pop this into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, leave to cool, apply cuticle oil, and here's the finished set. Look at the shine on them, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and make sure you've pressed the little bell to get notifications.